welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a teal, blue, and gold tablescape. Now I bought a few things from the dollar store and you will see them as I do them, but right now I wanted to make spear, the gold spear. So I was going to go ahead and just make that, and then I was going to set up the table, and then after that I'll go through the things that I purchased and how much they were. So first thing I want to do is cut this bottom off, just so it has a flat edge at the bottom. By the way, they're napkin rings. I know I forgot to mention napkin rings. That's what I am doing. So I just cut the bottom off like that. And then the next thing I'm going to do, I purchased these sticks, and I'm just going to go ahead, because I made another one, and I'm going to measure them the size I want and just cut them as I go, I suppose. Or you can also cut them, oops, you can also cut them as you're putting them in. I think maybe I'll do that. Okay, so best thing is start in the middle. And what you want to do is, once you make the hole, you'll want to put glue on it so it stays. Now the only thing I'm worried about right now is that I'm going to run out of, have hardly any gold spray paint. So I just hope that I have enough. I mean, I could just put them in long ways too and cut them after. It'd probably be faster. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and attempt to get spray out of here. Hopefully I'll be able to have enough to spray these. Now, in case I didn't mention this, what you need for this project is you're going to need 2 styrofoam balls, 2 small ones, and a bag of these sticks, which you can get at any dollar store. And gold spray paint, of course. Now let's see if we can do this. There we go. I just wasted it. So sadly I'm going to have to use this for the rest. Now it's not as pretty. It's definitely not going to be as pretty, but I should have went and got some. Okay, so now they're finally dry, so now I know they're not as pretty as they would have been had I had enough spray paint, so I am disappointed on that, but we could still use them. at least you know how they are made. So now what you would do is take the glue gun and just flip this over, and obviously you would just glue it on top. So, now these are a little large. We're going to go ahead and continue, and I'm going to set up the table, and we will continue with our tablescape view of teal and gold. See you in a bit. Okay, so basically all I've really purchased here is I purchased this just to use as a napkin. I purchased this blue plate at the dollar store, and I also purchased this. I really love this plate right here. It's beautiful. I ended up going to the gold dollar and buying the gold one after all, and I really like it. And everything I've just reused, basically, things I've had. And I bought these, I just love these flowers. They're fabulous. I got them at the Dollar King. And so that's all I just, you know, and then I obviously did these. And these came out really nice. Of course, they would have looked nicer had I not ran out of paint, but still, they look very nice. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is definitely Tablescape glamorous decor on a budget, on a major budget, on $1. So stay tuned, because I have another one coming that's going to be extra glamorous. Okay, bye-bye.